surreal. Think I want you here.
Hey guys, welcome back to Homemaking Heaven. I'm Kristen, and in today's video, I am going to be cleaning up my kitchen. Here are the dirty cabinets, the floors. I will say I did not make it to on this particular video, but I did get them finally done. Dishes, the countertops are a hot mess. It's just really needing my attention. So welcome to my channel if you're new. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before you leave. I would love for you to join me here on my channel. I enjoy making cleaning videos, decluttering, organizing, and I'm a huge Pottery Barn fan. So to start this video, I am getting in a load of laundry. I don't do any other laundry for the rest of the video, but I like to at least daily just get one load washed, dried, and folded. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to move into the kitchen. I will say that I was super disappointed because this video, as far as like filming it in real time, probably took me about 2 hours to get all of this done, maybe an hour and a half, I don't know, somewhere around there. It took me a while. And then it came down to, I fast forward everything and it's like a 12-minute video. So I'm going to work on trying to make the videos a little bit longer. I think what happened was I didn't realize that I had the same angle of the camera. So I kind of cut it down so it wouldn't be boring. But anyway, I'm going to start this. You might hear Jensen playing in the background. He's here with me today. He goes to school Tuesdays through Fridays. But I'm going to let you guys get into the cleaning.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need. Get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need.
So after I got all of the dishes that are dishwasher safe into the dishwasher, I started doing the hand washing dishes. But I noticed the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray on the countertop, and I had to share this story with you guys. Although it might not be very popular here on YouTube, but I'm willing to take that chance. So I honestly prefer like a Dawn dish detergent. I have found over the years that I have used Mrs. Meyer's that I really like their products for the scents. I don't really like the way that they smell versus their effectiveness or just their, I guess, overall quality to get the job done. Now, I understand that some people may not agree with me, and that's perfectly fine. But the funny story that I want to tell you guys is I was over at my brother's house. My mom was keeping my nephew, and there was a wasp in the house. And my mom, like, just flipped out. She was worried, like, it's going to sting one of the children. What do we do? I don't know where, you know, they keep the Raid. And I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, let me handle this. So I see the Mrs. Meyer spray, and I'm like, well, I'll just try to, you know, knock it down. I'm telling you guys, the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray took that wasp down faster than a bottle of Raid. I'm not even kidding. So I have used that spray to combat unwanted flying insects in my home. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. Because I know Raid can be a very potent product. I don't know how green I believe Mrs. Meyer's is after this experience, but I had to share it with you guys. So, anywho, I'm going to finish up with the dishes, and I am moving on to shining up the sink. I will say that a lot of the Mrs. Meyer's products, I do like this baking soda cream cleanser. I do think it is good, but as far as like the soaps and the dish soaps and stuff like that, I'm not just like a huge fan as far as their effectiveness. I just like the way that they smell. Now, here is another tip here, and I put on there to watch how I do the trash bag. So I watch girls on YouTube quite often with cleaning videos, and some people just may not like this method, but I'm always like, oh my goodness, do they know about this trick that you're trash bags actually come inside out. So instead of like opening the bag and shaking it and you're putting it in backwards, you really are supposed to put it in top like I did and then push it down. And honestly, I've heard mixed reviews about this, but for me, I have noticed that my bags don't rip open as often. They actually stay like I don't have anything pushed through them as much as I did when I was doing it the other way. But I read like a thing where it was like a certain percentage of people don't know that trash bags are inside out. I can't remember. I saw it on a TikTok video or somewhere. Anyway, I've been doing it that way ever since, now that I know, and I try to tell people as much as possible. Now I'm cleaning off the countertops. So I got this super cool thing at Costco here where you can make your own cards. I'm very excited about that. So I was trying to hold that up to the camera to show you guys. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed my story. I am using a granite cleaner here that I absolutely love. I don't know how to pronounce it. Wayman, I don't know. It does kill 99% of bacteria. That's why I like this cleaner in particular. Like I said, I'm not huge into all of the green cleaners. I see the thoughts behind, trying to stay away from more potent cleaners. Totally understand that. I'm just a little more old school on here, and it could be my age. So anyway, I'm making Jeff's coffee, but I will let you guys get back to the cleaning.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point.
I was definitely moving a little slower in today's video. If you guys watched my last video, then you'll know that I fell off my mountain bike. It's a new hobby that we started a little towards, I guess, last year. We got the bikes around August or September. This was the first time that I fell. I'm usually very careful, and I don't remember the last time I was hurt like this. I think the top of my leg is, the whole top of my thigh is bruised and swollen. So it's healing, but it's just taken a really long time. I think, my husband was like, when was the last time you fell? And I was like, probably like 20 years ago or something like that. I definitely was somewhere in my 20s. So it's like, kids get things like this and they just heal so quickly. The older that you get, I know it just takes longer. So it's definitely getting better. I'm still moving a little slower on it. It's, I guess, just one of those things, but that's why I didn't get the floors done in this video, because I had to just stop. It started kind of hurting and I went and iced it. So that's why, but I feel like if you just get a little bit done at a time, depending on your, circumstances or situation, I think any progress you make is going to be a positive thing. I know for me mentally, if I just get a little bit done, it helps with my anxiety. If you guys have been here for a long time, you guys know I suffer with that. In the last video, I told you guys about my PMDD diagnosis. If anybody wants to hear more about that, I will definitely share that. So it's just hard sometimes to get the motivation and, taking care of little ones and all of that good stuff. But I use this Zep wall cleaner. It's technically not made for cabinets, but I wanted to try it. It actually worked really well. I thought about going back over it with some type of like a wood oil. We are planning on probably painting these cabinets in some way. I don't know. We've gone back and forth with it. It's a project we definitely are continuing to talk about, but I just don't, the quality of these cabinets is really nice, and I definitely don't want to remove them and put anything new in, because I don't think I could replace them with the same quality. But I have definitely thought about trying to paint either just a portion of them. I think this color wood is definitely coming back. It's trending more in the design world again. So I'm thinking about doing like a two-tone cabinet look. I don't know. we'll see. But it worked really well. I definitely probably would not use this on like a painted cabinet if you have that or anything like that. But if you have just standard wood with no paint on it, it definitely didn't harm these or anything like that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. I'm trying to think of anything that I may have missed. I hope that you guys have a wonderful week, and I appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to watch my videos and being here, and definitely staying all the way to the end means a lot to me, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. And as always, much love. Bye.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you